Okay guys, I just received my new HPI Baja via UPS. I made a trade for this. I traded my 600N flybarless heli for this top of the line shit. But anyway, about to unbox this HPI 5SC and see if it's really in the box. Alright. Oh, there's a Baja box, and this thing is massive. Jeez, look at that. Wow, this thing is freaking huge. Just trying to get it out the box, guys. If you guys don't know, Heli Freak is a very good community of people. This guy who's never met me shipped me this truck, and vice versa. I shipped him my heli across the United States, and I mean a nice heli. So it takes a lot of trust to be able to do that. And I actually shipped him one of my let's get this out the way. I actually shipped him my best heli. Yep, that's the original HPI Baja box. And let's get it open. Let's turn it over. Okay. Turn it over one more time. And what do we have there? Now he's saying the body is a little banged up, but that's no big deal. Well, we got the truck. Let's see what we got here. Parts. Oil, Baja shock, spark plug wrench, can muffler, filter. Little crap that comes with it. Few extra little ins and outs. Right? See? Let's see, transmitter, which this is just a regular FM transmitter. I got a 2.4 on the way anyway, so regular bullshit transmitter, big deal. Yeah, here, okay, here's the Spectrum receiver, 3-channel Spectrum receiver that's gonna go in it with my DX3. More filters. Okay, nice guy. And here's the truck itself. Pull this puppy out. What a beast. See if I can get this box out the way. Oh. Alright, butter. Watch out. Hey, Shug. Hey, I was saying if we can make it 12 so I can, you know, take a shower and all that. Okay, good. All right then. Oh, bye-bye. Okay, sorry guys for the interruption. Like you said here, the body is jacked up, but we got a Baja. Let's see. The back. The mud flaps, and what I really want to see, I want to take off this beat up body and see the truck itself. That's what matters. You can always replace this body easily. This freaking pin's off. We got one freaking pin here. Stubborn. crack in a funny place here. Just do it like this. There we go. Now the truck is clean. Shock covers, outrunner covers on the motor, chrome plated 30.5 cc. Nice motor, it should kick ass. With a custom Jet Pro pipe. Nice little gas tank cover with oh, that's a nice little touch. Carbon fiber look there. So the truck looks good. Body looks like shit, but the truck looks awesome. Oh, that's nice. Put tape up there, keep shit from going in there. Smart. Okay guys, well this is the unboxing of my new Baja 5SC. I feel like it was a good trade. You know, I traded my 600 Nitro, which was flawless, but you know, I have a Baja 5T, and I've been having a blast with it, so I think it was a good trade, and I think I'm gonna enjoy this truck. So stay tuned for my next video. It should be running the truck. So cheers guys.